Hey guys, Rail Fan here, and today I'm at the Main Street Rail Crossing in Butte, Montana. I'm gonna make this quick since this is a really shady neighborhood, and when I mean shady, I mean creepy. So, first signal here, has a Harmon cantilever. There's the emergency information. Dot number is 842-364A. The lights on this signal are Harmon 12 or 24-inch lights with dotted LEDs in them. Then the bell for the crossing. That's just a loud school bus went by. But the bell for this crossing is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. And the overhead lights are more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights. That way is facing west towards Silverboat and Anaconda. And down there is facing towards down there is facing towards the Berkeley pit. It actually doesn't go to the Berkeley pit, but it goes down there somewhere. And I believe this line right here possibly abandoned. I don't know, since as you can see, like the flanways, they're a little too rough for a train going by. That's what it looks like to me. No way for traffic to go by. The second signal here. The second signal has a Harmon cantilever. There's emergency information. The lights are more Harmon 12 by 24-inch lights with more dotted LEDs in them. And also more Harmon 12 by 24s toward the mast up there. No, not mast, cantilever. And then our General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. There's the relay case right there. Right there. And yeah, I hope you that was the Main Street Railroad Crossing in Butte, Montana at milepost 0.3. And I think the Montana Street Crossing, no, I don't think it was at 3.2. I think it was at 0.2, so just to correct myself there. So yeah, that was the Butte. That was the Main Street Railroad Crossing in Butte, Montana on milepost 0.3. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.